Installation Guide for IT Professionals. Start by downloading the setup file from the provided link in the description. As seasoned IT professionals, you know the importance of getting the details right. Extract the zip file and open the extracted file. Right-click the setup, select Properties, and navigate to Compatibility. Check both Run as Administrator and Run this program in Compatibility Mode as demonstrated in the video. Click Apply and OK. Then double-click the setup to launch. During setup, use Tiger as the database password. Confirm this password when prompted. Proceed by clicking Next and agree to the terms. In Password Management, uncheck Scott in HR, setting the new password to Tiger. Upon completing installation, restart your PC, locate SQL Plus via the Windows search, run it as an administrator, enter your username as Scott in all caps, with Tiger as the password. You're now ready to execute SQL queries efficiently.